All right, guys, so we got the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, my favorite turd. This damn thing. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so we're gonna try to get this to fly without the app. Now I just let it sit here off camera. Now it's got 16 GPS, so I'm gonna see if this is gonna knack up to where I can take off without the app. So we're gonna see. Nope. So it did it for the SE, but it won't do it for the Pro. But there's always this Pro has this little glitch in here where you pull the battery out while it's hot and put it back in and redo that part and let that re-cook. Nope. Let's try the different modes. Nope, it's not gonna do it. Now, let's try putting the app on real quick.
FPV has been turned off. It will turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
No. Okay, we did the compass calibration and all that mumbo jumbo. Okay, I think the big mistake they made with this was having I really hate this video being turned off until you take off. I think that is the biggest flaw in this thing. It just annoys me to no end that it makes you think the thing's not working. That's the first thing you think about when you see this is like, okay, something's wrong. And with this thing, it usually always is, so. I don't need to warm up. I'm not living in Siberia.
Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
No, this thing is just so bad.
No obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution.
Did you see that thing? It took off and flew right back into me.
FPV has been turned off.
Crash. Hopefully it's broke.
After the aircraft takes off.
Now this thing is, it's always been a piece of crap, right? Let's see how much damage I got to my hand. It broke the skin a little hair. But did you see how that thing just took off and flew right backwards right into me? Had all, what, 16 satellites? 17? Holy tamale. What a piece of junk. Okay, FPV shut down. I got it. The system detected a collision. Okay, there's a collision. Yeah, gimbal code error. No crap. Okay, let's see if we can just start it manually. Okay. Oh, looks like hold on a minute. Looks like
the point has been updated.
Looks like
Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
Yeah, I got you. It looks like the battery started to pop out there a little bit.
Fly with caution.
Let's try to get it to take off again. I'm going to take this thing on a long flight somewhere over water and hopefully it just disappears. Okay. Weak. What do you mean weak GPS? It says 18 right on there. 18 GPS. Gimbal error. Ready to fly. Whew. Okay, so now I don't know. It says gimbal error, so it's actually not showing any video on the screen. Let's see if we can at least get it to take off. I'm not. Okay, so I'm not standing behind it. Okay, so the video is actually working on the screen. Let me see if I can get the gimbal will not respond. So it just needs to be reset, to be honest. That's probably, look at the damn gimbal. So the cable's not broke or anything. I'm still able to come over here and tweak it. Now I don't know if the record button's gonna work, but I got it straightened out, kinda. It's kinda straightened out, right? Okay. It just needs to be reset, but I don't want to turn it off and go through all that mumbo jumbo again. Let's see if it'll record without the gimbal being reset. No, I'm gonna have to reset the damn thing. Ah, dang it. Okay.
The home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
Okay.
No obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution.
Okay, the gimbal is back working. So let me see if the video will record. Okay, so I finally got the video to start recording. I think maybe it was on camera. But it wouldn't do it with the button. So that's what you got to work on when you first take off with this thing. So it's back in business. That little crash. Collision detected. That little crash didn't seem to do anything. So what mode are we in here? Oh, I'm telling you what, guys, I've had nothing. We'll go into sport mode. I've had nothing but trouble with this thing since I had it. It's always just some little. I mean, I'm able to get it going and get it in the air and fly it, but it's always all these trials and tribulations to actually do anything with this. You know, there's always something. There's always something going on. Some sensor or some, yeah. So now this doesn't have an update on it. This is just, they probably just moved on from this thing anyway. They've got those new models, you know, the Pro or the big, this is the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, but they got the Pro Plus. Yeah, like, I'm sure there's absolutely no difference. And if there is, it's some kind of minor thing. I didn't get it. I think Marcus might have got it. You go check on him to see what he, you can go check with him to see if he's got, you know, anything happening with that thing. I don't know if there's going to be that much of a difference. This thing does have some nice color, though. It does, the video quality seems to be pretty good. And then they had this other new one that came out. It looked like a Mavic Air, the original Mavic Air. I think Marcus got that too. But I never wasted my money on it, so I wasn't gonna buy that thing. Just get a Mavic Air if you want that. A Mavic Air is better than that thing. So yeah, it's flying great now after the collisions and the crashes and all of that stuff. But it won't fly without the app. So we know that. All right, guys. Well, it's always something with this damn thing. I'm gonna cut the video. All right, let me see if this button works again now. See, on this, okay, on mine, when you hit the button, nothing happens. It doesn't show anything's recording on the screen, and the time and the clock don't come up. But when you hit your finger on it, there it comes up there and starts recording. But it won't with clicking on it, so I don't know what the story is with that. So who knows, right? All right, guys. So this is the end of it. We're gonna land it up. Yeah, it takes a while on some of these. All right, guys, that's it. Hubsan Zino Mini.
TV has been turned off.
Yeah, we know that. Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. It's still flying, but barely. Okay. Have a nice day, guys.